Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ishwardhan, currently pursuing my education in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering of Department CSE Cybersecurity. In this video, we are going to discuss about enumerated data types in C programming. Firstly, what is C programming? C programming is a powerful and widely used programming language that was developed in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. It was procedural programming language, which means that it is based on sequence of procedures or functions. Introduction to enumerated data types in C programming. Enumerated data types in C programming provides a way to create user defined data types that consist of a finite set of named values. They are commonly called as enums. These data types are useful when you want to work with a variables that only take on specific set of values. Data types in C programming are used to define a new data type with a finite set of values. These data types are especially useful with dealing with variables that can have a limited number of possible values. Next, syntax and declaration of the enumerated data types. The syntax for declaring an enumerated data type is the enum name is the name of the enumerated data type, and the values inside the braces are the possible values that it can take. Each value is automatically assigned an integer constant starting from 0 unless explicitly specified. Next is assigning the values to enumerated data types. Enumerated data types in C are can be assigned specific values by explicitly specifying the assigned values. For example, enum dates followed by Monday equals 1, Tuesday equals 2, and Wednesday equals 3, assigning the values 1, 2, 3 to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday respectively. If no values are explicitly assigned, the first value is assigned as 0, and the subsequent values are assigned and incrementally. Next is size and memory allocation of enumerated data types. The size and memory allocation of data types depends upon the programming language and the compiler being used. However, the size of an enumerated data types are usually represented by integers. In most programming languages, they are typically have the same size as integers, which is commonly 4 bytes, which is equal to 32 bits, or 8 bytes, or 62 bits. The size ensures the enumerated data types can hold a wide range of integer values, and the memory allocation are often stored as integers, so they are allocated memory accordingly. Each enumerated constant is assigned an integer value starting from 0 and incremented by 1 for the next constant. The memory allocation for an enumerated variable is same as that of the integer variable. Next is enumerated data types and type safety. Enumerated data types provide type safety by allowing only specific values. The compiler will generate an error if an invalid value is assigned to an enumerated data type variable. This helps to prevent logical errors and enhances the reliability of the code. This helps to catch errors at compile time rather than runtime, improving code reliability and preventing unexpected value assignments. Next is enumerated data types and readability. Enumerated data types make the code more readable and self-explanatory. By using meaningful names for the enumerated values, it becomes easier to understand the purpose and intent of the code. This improves code maintainability and reduces the chances of introducing bugs. Next is code modularity. Enumerated data types promote code modularity by encapsulating related values into a single data type. This allows for better organization and separation of concerns in the code. It becomes easier to modify or extend the list of possible values without affecting the other parts of the code. Next is enumerated data types and bitwise operations. Enumerated data types can be used in bitwise operations just like integers. Bitwise operations, on the other hand, involves manipulating individual bits of data at the binary level. Bitwise operations in enumerated data types can result in more readable code compared to raw integers. Enumerated data types and function parameters. Enumerated data types can be used as function parameters, allowing for more expressive and self-explanatory function signatures. By using enumerated data types, the function interface becomes more easier to understand. This helps in documenting and maintaining the code base. And the summary and key takeaways are: for the integers or the numbers with decimal values, the keyword is int and memory size is 2 or 4 bits. And for the floating points or the numbers with decimal value, The keyword is float and memory size is 4 bits. And for the numbers with the decimal value double, the keyword is double and the memory size is 8 to 10 bits. And for the characters or any symbols enclosed with single quotation, the keyword is char and the size used by the keyword is 1 bit. Enumerated data types in C programming provide a way to define a new data type with a finite set of values. They enhance code readability, type safety, and modularity. Enumerated data types are commonly used in switch statements, bitwise operations, and function parameters. These data types are valuable tools for enhancing code clarity and reducing errors by providing meaningful names for a predefined set of constant values. They are widely used in programming to make code more readable and maintainable. Thank you.